Hey guys, welcome. This is long overdue. I wanted to show you some of the DIY stuff that I'm doing for autumn with stuff from the Dollar Tree. Okay, let's take a look at this right now. We're going to take a look at what we're doing here. I found those great bags. They're like boxes, but they're bags. They're hard, like a box, but the top is open and they have a little handle. I have to turn the handle around on that Hello Fall one, but I did that for a reason because I'm going to show you how I arrange the flowers in them. And then I'm going to show you or remind you the ones that we did with Mama Ames, and then something I have upcoming. So these are really easy and really inexpensive. Someone told me that it would be really nice if I would do that for the kids' classrooms and give it to their teachers. And my kids have all male teachers this year, and their classrooms are decorated much differently. So they're like, yeah, scrap that idea then. Okay, so here's what we have here. Let me remind you first of the craft here that we did with Mama Ames. Now, I will link the video that will teach you how to do that in the video description if you'd like to make that. That is made completely with things from the Dollar Tree. These, the bottom of this, 3 4x6 picture frames. They came in a gray color. We painted them white, and then I dry brushed some gray on there to make it look distressed. Other people use different colors. You can really play around with this. These are the glass milk bottles. We painted them white. That's not a chalk paint, that's a white paint. You can use a chalk paint if you want. And if you want to make it look even more distressed, you could again dry brush something onto it. Everything inside of this is all the fall assortments, flowers, and this is almost looks like goldenrod, doesn't it? And then there's cowtails, but these are all from the Dollar Tree, and you can even buy the fall stuff online, like the assortments if you can't find it in your store, if your store is depleted of it. So I will link the video about how to make this if you'd like to, and then we just have it set in there. We have the nautical rope that you get at the Dollar Tree, hot glued around there, and these stones, I put the stones in there to keep the bottles in there tightly from the Dollar Tree as well, and then this jute around the tops of the bottles. So that's the one thing, and again I will put the video in there. Next, this is very simple. This is just these are available at the Dollar Tree, and this is also available at the Dollar Tree. You just switch it on. It's not going to show well in this light, but it flickers, and that's a nice little addition for $2. Okay. After that, we have these boxes. Now, the one in the back, believe it or not, this is not done. This is just one of the boxes filled with some of the fall flowers. I have some more. I know it looks pretty done there, right? But it's exactly like, see, you have tags on them. This is what you get at your Dollar Tree, and this was one of the boxes. So you have this satin ribbon, and I just put that to the back. You take that floral foam that you can get at the Dollar Tree in there. So I'm going to put this back because I have to do this one. I also accented with these Scarecrows. These come two to a pack at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so let me just put this back there, and I will show you how I did this. So I actually did these 3 boxes with 1 piece of foam by cutting it. Okay, so whoops. My Scarecrow is just in there. I didn't stick him in there. So this one I put straight up and down, okay, in the package. The other ones, they're horizontal, okay, and then I just stuck my flowers in there. Oops, I forgot to change my... So then I would arrange it out. I'd stitch. Okay, here we go. And Then we've got Scarecrow that I just kind of stuck in there until he was visible. Something like that. I can't see that. So I put the handle in the back now. That's how easy they were done. I did them all like that. You'll see that these, I don't want to pop these out too much, but it's just the foam this way. So it's one piece of foam for these 3 boxes. Okay? So inexpensive, makes a nice gift, makes a nice hostess present if you're going somewhere. You know, give them this, maybe with some pumpkin muffins or pumpkin cookies, which I have to make my pumpkin cookies because they're really, really good. The other thing that I have upcoming is with the Styrofoam Pumpkins. Now, I've painted this one with chalk paint. I sprayed it actually, and then I finished it up with the chalk paint. The reason I didn't do the top is because I'm cutting this out. I'm going to scoop this out. I'm going to decoupage. Someone said fabric. Yes, I could do it in fabric. I might do it the next year, but I'm going to try with those napkins that I got, remember? I'm going to try to put that on there, see how that works out. I'm going to scoop this out, and I'm going to put some flowers in the top. So that's my next project. I'll try to do that on camera for you guys, but this was just a quick thing. Now, I also want to show you, because that last Ollie's haul, there was a bag that, I don't know, Jimmy left somewhere. I had no idea. And I never got to show you what else I got. So let me just show you real quick what I got here. I'm just going to move these right here. I think you saw these, right? These I had out for putting something away. These are those bags from the Dollar Tree. They're really good because they're like kind of waterproof if you're putting some papers in. You can use that if you want to put like your decoupage papers in here and stuff. All right. So the first one you'll see, 99 cents, regularly $8.98 at Walmart. And this is one of the ones I really like for 99 cents because they have pictures in there you can cut out and use. Visualize world peace. And I mean, for 99 cents, you can't beat it even if you were decoupaging some of those. The owl, right? Make art, not war. Sun, how nice would those look decoupaged onto something, right? And then you have all your designs here, and they're very nice hardstock. They have a little quote on the back side, all you need is love, love, love is all you need, the Beatles. And the day the power of love overrules the love of power, the world will know peace, Jimi Hendrix. Okay. That one, all I want is love, and a chocolate bar bigger than my head. With our love, we could save the world, George Harrison. So you've got the lava lamp, you know, flower power. These are so from the 70s. My sister and I used to have stickers like with those, and they had our names on them. Dragonflies. There's the owl. There goes my washer. So, okay. Beautiful. Then I got this one. Beautiful vintage. This was $1.49, regularly $12.99. Right? These are at Ollie's. This is a really nice book. Very good hardstock. And I like this again because it already came with pictures like that you could decoupage or whatnot. I like the birds and the butterflies. It's patterns, right? Use those as is. These could be cut. and look really neat. So could these be easily. Got an owl. Kind of looks like a pineapple, doesn't it? I just thought that was a really, really nice one. This is by Barron's. It's a beautiful vintage. This is at Ollie's. And then I showed you these before. These are I got some more of these. These are the color stickers. 99 cents. And they give you ideas how to use them. You get a lot in here. Then I saw this classic golden book, The Lion's Paw. And this was only $1.29. Remember when these were, I'm trying to think of my daughter, my oldest was young. I think that's what they used to be, like $1.49 or something. I had them as a kid too. I couldn't resist this one. I thought this looked really vintage. Okay, then I saw this. Molly Makes Feathered Friends. I thought this was a great book to start doing some crafting with you guys and tutorials. Share with my daughter too. Crochet, knitting, sewing, felting, paper craft, and more. So a variety of different crafts. All about feathered friends. So here's the felted. My daughter, I think, will really like this felting, because she does this really well. So you make these little chickens. They're so cute. And then this looks like cross stitching the lovebirds and pitter patter. That looks like felted. Yeah, felted. This bag is felted in the washing machine. Wow. Okay. Birdie sewing set, penguin pillow. I made a pillow just like this. It was my first sewing project in the 5th grade in home ec, where they taught you how to sew. And I remember I sewed it. They couldn't believe it because I had found big felt, like in bolts, and so I cut and I remember the teacher was like, "Wow, I didn't know felt came like that." And I made an owl, and he was like brown, and he looked like that, but he was made out of felt. It's my first sewing project. I don't know where I saw the pattern. Like, I must have had a pattern from, but yeah, I'd like to recreate that. Clothespin bag. So there's lots of little, here's another felt project. And there's that, my mother used to have a lot of this. It kind of looks like that is it Scandinavian, or is it, what is it? It's that folk art. Oh, I'm missing it. I have a whole book on it. I love that stuff. Okay, and my mother used to make these but these are a little bird baby blanket, so that's a good crocheting project, because I did get some needles and I said I'm going to go and try to do it, and my daughter wants to do it too. She knits very well. Okay, woodpecker notebook, the little nesting. Look at those, so cute. But we'll see what we can make out of here. And this was $1.99, regularly $12.95. Molly Makes Feathered Friends. And I got this one, Creative Colors, A Second Cup of Inspiration. And this is another one that has beautiful prints. I love the one with the camera, because you know I'm a camera person. But first, coffee. Trust your heart, be brave. It's the little moments that make life big. Trust your journey. You're my sunshine. You got this. And then they have really nice, it's not who you are that holds you back. It's who you think you're not. You got this. And then there's little, to guide you. Be true to who you are. Yes, you can. And then there's little quotes over there. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside of you that is greater than any obstacle. Doing a video. Be fearless, dream bigger. The day you decide to do it is your lucky day. Something good is going to happen. Follow your dreams. So very grateful. I love that one. Carpe diem. Believe in your dreams. Smile. Love that one. Be awesome today. Be kind to others. Okay, so that was 99 cents. And the last one was this chalk style botanicals. And I love when they have them in the chalk style color with all types of markers. This one again, I believe has, I'm thinking of some of these for the other block signs I'm going to make, the box signs. Awesome sauce. I like the one with the bicycle. So these would be great to use as a template. It's a great day, love that. And look at that, I mean, it's right there. You could frame that, right? It's like what that other blogger did with that closet that I told you about last night. Look at that, they're all ready to frame. Beautiful. How can you beat that? And then you've got all you need is love. Stop and smell the roses. Pineapples! Discover what makes you happy. All good things, wild and free. Don't worry, be happy. You've got little ones here that you could decoupage on something if you want, right? Home sweet home. Be full of joy. Create beauty. Enjoy the simple things. Hello, sunshine. Okay, so this was $1.99, and the regular price on that would be $14.99. $19.99 Canada. Sometimes you luck out and these go fast, so you only find one like this. Pick it up. Okay. All right, I have some giveaways coming up too, and as we get into the Christmas season we're going to have more, but I have some of those books that we're going to be giving away, some nature coloring books and those the letters that you can color, so we'll get to those too. Maybe we'll do it for more clues like we did the journals. 2 journals went out today. Wow, Live, I still need your address there, bubs. All right, thank you guys. Have a great one. Bye-bye.